Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Angie Ray, and if you're not new, welcome back again. I know it's been a hot minute since I filmed a video, but y'all know, most of y'all know, I'm 8 months pregnant and I got a little 1.5-year-old who thinks she's in her terrible twos already, and she is such a handful. You guys don't even know. To the point. Today, I'm filming this awesome, beautiful fall look. Look at that, you guys. Soak it in real quick. Soak it in real quick. December's here. It's time for glam. It's time to be extra. It's time to get out there, girl. Let's get started. So we're gonna start prepping the skin with this awesome product that came in the Boxy Charm November issue. I love the wand. Who doesn't love a wand? So easy to apply. My arm hurt. Whew. Contouring is not for the basic bitches. This shit hurts, bitch. Hold on. Okay. We're gonna go in with a tiny, cute little sponge from Spongeology. Super nice to blend with. Oh yeah, look at that. This highlight though, like this concealer is a shit. Just gonna say that. You wanna get that nose real good right here. Go up on the highlight if you wanna make it more of a dramatic nose contour. And I always go over the lid because it's like a nice base and it helps with the whole like contouring right here. See how it makes the nose kind of just go in a little more, so you got this whole highlighted area. It's just like flawless. And then I like to use the little, like, not the pointy part but the bottom part, the booty of the sponge, to do like the forehead. Last but not least, since the bridge kind of gets blended away, yeah, just a little retouch of the bridge to, you know, re-highlight that part that could have got blended away. Yes. Yes! So now that we're nice and contoured and highlighted for the gods, we're gonna go in with this Becca powder. It's the Hydra Mist that has a really cool cooling effect. At first I was like, yo, why my face feel wet though? This powder is not actually the best for baking because it's like, it's a different kind of powder. So I mean, you got a light bake, but not like a super bake. So if you want a hella bake, you can use something thicker. I'm gonna use my drugstore one to bake that I love. It's the CoverGirl Pro Loose. It's like their only loose powder or something. I need that heavy, thick powder for the bake. And we definitely want to keep the area clean from the fallout because we're using dark colors. That's how you bake. It's called dystopian. It's a dark brown and I've been loving it lately. Okay, so now that we have our eyebrows done, I applied a matte base on my eyeshadow, just a light matte eyeshadow. So for today's look, we're gonna use the Celestial Thunder palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and look how pretty, you guys. It came with the Boxy Charm November issue, and we're gonna use mostly like the orangey tones. I think I'm gonna use some of this dark and some of this shimmery one. So we're gonna stay right around this area. I personally like to start with the lighter shades and the creases and move my way down to the darks. So I'm gonna start with the brighter orange. It's called Lunar Eclipse, and we're gonna use that for our crease. Now I'm gonna bring it up pretty high up on the brow bone and all the way out here. Okay, so now we're gonna go with the darker orange right here. It's like a burnt orange. It's called Storm Dust. And we're gonna be more in the crease and lower lid. And that's where the color really starts coming through. Now, as you guys can see, the other orange looks like it's super light. So yeah, that's pretty much just like our blending shadow. And don't be scared to bring it out a bit right here. After I blend in with the brush that I was applying the color with, I go in with a clean blending brush. Okay, now to get a little more dramatic and embrace more of these dark tones I'm gonna use this dark shade right here. I'm using this brush that's for application. So of course we're applying this in the little light area Okay, so now that we applied the black, I'm gonna go in with this little blending brush from Miss Silver Cosmetics, and I'm gonna just blend that in a little bit. So just keep blending, blending, blending. I'm actually gonna add a little bit of a little bit of shadow to the brush, just so that we can have more to blend here and it doesn't just take away product, because you don't want that either. We're gonna go in with the bottom eyeliner, and I'm using the black one from Anastasia Beverly Hills Noor. I think it's like the blackest black. We're going hard with the black at the bottom because I'm gonna blend it out with a little orange, but we really want the eyeliner to show in this look. So as you guys can see, I'm going in on the inside and on the outside also. Black. So now to blend out the bottom liner, I'm gonna use the shimmery orange shade blending brushes for the bottom. This one's in the shade of the eyeshadow is Fireball. Wow, so you guys can see it looks kind of pinkish orangey with some shimmers, super cute. And the black one up here, I don't know if you guys can see it on the video, but it definitely has purplish pinkish sparkles in it, which makes the look super glam and super festive, you know. Right now it's all about the festivities, so it's perfect for this season. Okay, and for the inner corner, I'm gonna use their shade right here, the only light shimmery shade that's in the palette. It's called Eternal Light. Okay, now for lashes, I'm gonna use some of my favorite non-mink lashes, which is the ones by The Creme in number 62. Getting there, getting there. Time for blush. All right, so since we're doing the whole orangey vibe or whatever, I'm gonna go in with this tone from the Morphe Warm palette. It's called Provocative. A little bit right here, even though we're already contoured, just for that extra little touch. And I like to do like this little line right here. We're gonna use this liquid highlighter from Tarte Cosmetics, a little droplet. So like, I'm gonna show y'all. Tapping it between my fingers. And you gotta like work with it pretty quickly. Blend it away real quick. I'm not gonna lie, at first it's kind of scary to work with, so definitely practice prior to using it for like an official look. Okay guys, so to complete the look, let's do lips. I've been obsessed with this lip liner for I don't even know how long. Morphe Cosmetics in the color Bite Me. It's really like a dark brown, but I just love it because when you apply any other lipstick on top that's a little lighter, it just blends so beautiful. So let's go in. For a moment, you're gonna look like a chola, but it's all good because we're not gonna stay like that though. Dose of colors that also came in my Boxy Charm for November. It is the shade nude mood. And we do need a nude for this look because we're doing a lot. So I always apply my lipstick like on top of the lip liner, especially when it's this dark. You guys, I literally just gave myself a lip job. Once you got all your beautiful look down, you need to set it with some bomb ass setting spray. Morphe never lets you down because it's so misty and so bomb. Just let it soak in. It smells so good too. So this is the final look, you guys. I'm just like loving every bit of it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look as much as I enjoyed filming it. And let's just do a little recap, a little close up. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate every view, every comment, every like. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Today is December 1st, so you know I had to get all up in the mood. Yeah, so you guys be safe out there. Enjoy your holidays. Get fat. This is the get fat season, but don't forget, contour that face. And if you haven't, click that subscribe button. Do that right now. And don't be scared to double tap thumbs up. Show your girl some love so we can keep this rolling.